Hey everyone, this is Tanvir. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to customize the Ubuntu 24.04 desktop, and this is how it's gonna look like after I'm done customizing the desktop. So before I start customizing the desktop, I just want to thank all the people that are supporting me through the membership, and I really appreciate you guys. So alright guys, so the first thing that you'll have to do is download this project file, and you can find the link of this project file down in the description of this video. And again guys, thank you so much for the support. Without your support, I won't be able to make these videos because I cannot just ask for the donation. I know you guys are like me who love to customize desktop, Linux desktop, and I just can't ask for donations or help from you guys. So I thought, why not give you guys something in return as well, where you guys are helping me out, and in return you guys are getting something useful out of it as well. And guys, my English is weak, as you can see. I want to say a lot of things, and I have a lot of thought about this, that how much I appreciate you guys, but I just can't explain it. Let's not just waste any time and start this tutorial. So here's the project file. You can find the link in the description of this video. And again, thank you so much guys. This is a project file, and I'm going to extract it and then delete this zip file. And then inside this project file, by the way, make sure to keep this project file folder inside the downloads directory. Now once you download this project file, actual project file might be inside another folder, so make sure to keep this original folder inside this downloads directory, and you'll be good to go. Because I have a script inside here, and the path is downloads slash project files, so it won't work unless you put the project file inside the downloads directory. All right, so here what I'm going to do is right click and click on open in terminal, and here I'm going to basically run the script now. .sh, type your password. So I have collected all the necessary commands that you'll need to customize this desktop and put them inside this script.sh, so that you don't have to waste time going through each and every command. Just run the script and it will automatically install all the files in your system. To make things easier for you guys, press enter. All right guys, so now while it is going through this installation process, I'll just go to the browser, and I'm going to install Google Chrome because we're gonna need Google Chrome to install the Gnome extensions. So type Google Chrome, click on download Chrome, then click on accept and install. So once it is done in downloading the Google Chrome file, installation .deb file, then I'll show you how to install the .deb file through terminal, using terminal. So this one is done, so I'm going to close the terminal here, and let's just quickly apply the wallpaper as well. And if I want, I can apply the wallpaper at the end of the video, but I will just do it right now because why not. So let's see, it is almost done. Okay, so let's close this browser, and actually I have a few more things that I need to download, so let's just do it quickly. So go inside these project files and then click on download links. So I have included all the links that you'll need to download these themes. So let's just copy that and paste it. This is the icon pack. And the Conky. Scroll down here, and I will install this first one. And here for the icons, I'll download this one, Tela Circle Black .tar, and the Conky. I will go with this one, the dark version. Download this one, download this, and download this. Alright, so once I'm done, close this one, close that, go to downloads directory, and here okay, so I'm going to install Google Chrome. So right click on an empty space, click on open in terminal, and here I'm going to type ls, and this is the dev file. Copy the path, the name, and I'm going to type sudo dpkg-i and then paste it. On your keyboard you can press Ctrl Shift and V, and you can paste the link on in the terminal like that using shortcut, or you can just right click and click on paste. Press enter, type your password, and this is going to take a few seconds. All right, so let's close this terminal, and if I search for Chrome now, as you can see, it is here. So I can delete this file, .db file, and I'm going to quickly extract these theme folders. So while it is extracting, let's go to Chrome. Okay, close that. I'm going to type Gnome extension, Gnome shell extensions, and click here to install browser extension. Click this one. So first we are going to have to install the browser extension. All right, so here I'm going to click on add to Chrome, add extension, yes, and I can close this window. Click here, click on Gnome shell extensions, and here I'm going to install a few extensions. So all right, so first I'm going to install this one, user themes, and this one as well, extension list, and open bar, this one, and then menu. All right, I have to type the full name of the menu, which is arc menu, arc, this one. All right, let's see what else we need to install. All right, blur my shell, this one, this is very important, and switcher, this one. All right, so let's install them one by one. Okay, this one, this is actually pretty fun to play with the extensions. The more time you spend with this, and the more enjoyment you'll get out of it. So let's just work with this for now. So these are done extracting the files, so I can delete the zip files. And now let's open the home directory in a new window, and here I'll click on show hidden files and go to .themes and drag these two here. And what, why is it not supported? There you go. Now let's go back here, and here go to dot icons, and these are the icons. So drag and drop there, and let's go back, go to dot config, then Conky, and here drag this Conky theme. All right. There's one more thing that I need to take, and that is go inside the project files, and here go inside the Conky theme folder, and here I'm going to drag this one and replace this. All right. And then go to inside scripts, and here I'm going to drag this weather.sh, plus this one too. All right, so far so good. And all right, let's work with the extension now. So first I'm going to take this Ubuntu bar from left to bottom. So I can right click on the desktop and click on display settings, and here go to parents, not this one, Ubuntu desktop. Go here and select bottom here, position on screen, and then I'm going to make the icons smaller, and then panel mode, yes, I want to keep it as panel mode, not a dock. And go to appearance here, let's select dark. Okay, now let's go to desktop icon settings. I'm going to remove this home folder icon from the desktop, and then go to extensions list, and all right, let's go to blur shell, and here go to panel and this deselect this one and go to overview. All right, let's go to dash applications, application blur. So I'm going to add the blur effect now. So let's go to applications and then click on add window, and I'm going to select my, all right, this looks all right. I'm going to bring this up a little bit, maybe like here, because I don't want this to be too much washed out. Yes. Okay. I can make the Google Chrome transparent as well. So I can select add a window and select click on the Chrome, and as you can see that it applied the blur effect here as well. All right, you can do the same for these other ones, but I'm not gonna try it now. Okay, let's close this one for now and then go to open bar, and here go to import, and I'm going to import a setting that I have already prepared for you guys. So go to downloads and go to project files and open bus settings, select this one, click on open, and as you can see it has applied the settings on the top bar. Okay, so you can go to bar background, and here you can deselect the panel shadow so that if you change the wallpaper it won't bother you much. I mean, it will still look nice, so you can deselect that one. All right, now I'm going to apply the icon, so I'm going to type, okay, before that I'm going to have to do some settings on this switcher, this one. So the shortcut key here is super plus W, means the Windows key, plus W on Windows computer. And here as you can see, this is very big, so I'm going to make it a bit small, let's say 30%. Let's see how it looks. And make the font size small and the icon size small, like this. Maybe the icon size a bit larger. Okay, alright, so this is a little fade effect that you can add to this animation, like this. Alright, so I'm going to search for tweak, and here go to appearance, and here go to legacy applications. I'm going to use, let's use this one. And here let's use this one. Alright, this looks nice, I guess. And go to icons, and here I'm going to select Tela Circle Black. So let's check how the icons look. So this is how it's gonna look, and this is how it's gonna look as well. Here, let me quickly restart. Okay guys, now let's go to blur my shell, and here go to panel and select panel blur. Nope, not this one, definitely not this one. Go to dash, and here there's nothing to change. All right, let's go to Ubuntu dock, and here select place icons to the center, whatever you would prefer. So you can keep it on the left side or at the center, and maybe add a couple more icons on the dock. Right guys, so I'm going to customize the terminal now. So let's search for terminal. There it is, and go to the extension, blur my shell. I'm going to apply the blur effect here. Scroll down, add window, select the terminal, and there you go. The blur effect has been applied. And right click, go to preferences, and go to scrolling, show scroll bar. I'm going to hide it because it looks clean this way, and I like a very clean minimal look for the desktop. All right, so the last thing that I'm going to apply is the Conky theme, of course. So I'm going to search for Conky manager, and here go to settings and select this one, run Conky at system startup, and then go to location, and then go to add, and right click, click on show hidden files, then go to .config, then go to Conky. Just select Conky here and click on open, and select .config/Conky, click on OK, click on refresh, and you will see that our Conky theme over here, and select that, and there you go. There is our Conky theme. And let's make it, let's apply the blur effect here as well. Okay, and don't worry about the weather temperature here. It will show up once I restart, or it will show up after a few seconds, I guess. And how to select the correct weather information, how to apply the weather information for your region. And you find if you go to downloads and then go to project files, and you can read this readme file here, and I have written here how to get the API key and the city ID for your, there you go. As I told you, the weather is showing here. So just get your city ID and API ID. It is very easy. Just go to openweathermap.org and just create an account. It is totally free, and just get your city ID and API key, and then just apply it inside that weather.sh file, and you're good to go. So I think I'm pretty much done here. So this is my file manager, the file explorer, and I can get this application menu on the right side. if I go to arc menu and then select the right side, and I guess this way it will look a lot cleaner, since this is not overlapping with the Conky. So alright guys, so there's one more thing that I want to say, and that is you might this video might seem a bit choppy or laggy, and that's because I'm using a VirtualBox. I have to do this to install multiple ISOs at the same time and experiment with them. So in since I'm using a VirtualBox, that is why it's a little bit choppy kind of animation. But when you're installing it, doing it in your actual system, this is gonna look a lot smoother. And if you have a 120 hertz display or 144 hertz display, this is gonna look amazing. The animation will look amazing. So yeah, that is it guys. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, make sure to give it a like and subscribe. And thank you so much for the support, for buying the membership. It means a lot to me, and I cannot just ask for donation or something like that. I just wanted to give you guys something back as well, so for helping me out with my finances. Thank you so much. I cannot thank you guys enough, and I'm just, my English is very bad, and I want to say more. If I could think of more ways to thank you guys, I could have, but this is it. Soon I'll be publishing a new video, and stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Alright guys, so for some reason it stopped recording my face, and I don't know why. I apologize for that. I'm very sorry for that. Just realized now, once I've recorded all the whole tutorial. Apologize for that guys. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.